What's up, gamers? Today we're doing another toy reveal. Now, it's been a while since we've posted, but we're back now with a weekly now. Most likely, we're going to be posting about 5 videos today. Alright, we're actually at the skate park right now, but we're not doing a skate video. We're doing a toy reveal. Alright, so these are just some beans. We're not doing that, but we're going to do these three. So we've got a little puppy love. Collect them all. So we have all these little dogs. And we have a Barbie Kinder Surprise. I'm excited for that. And then we have a Jurassic World Chupa Chup Surprise. So first we're going to start with the puppy love. So we're going to get some Yep. Our game is a bit hard to open. We don't actually have scissors. That's okay. That was some good ASMR, wasn't it, game? Alright, so now we're gonna... Do we have to take this off? No. Now we're gonna open the little door. Oh my god! Gamers, look, I think we got this little one here. There's some birds interrupting, and look, I think this is the candy. I don't quite know. This doesn't quite look like candy, but let's try it. Yeah, it's candy. It's very bad though. Let's give one to the dog. Perfect, gamers. Alright. Never leave rubbish behind, gamers. Leaving rubbish behind is very unpro gamer. Now we're gonna do the Barbie Kinder Surprise. I'm really excited for this one. I really love Barbie a lot. I actually have a Barbie blanket at home. And I'm really excited. So we're gonna okay, we'll eat that later. Never like food. Okay, let's open it. Whoa! I wonder what we got. Oh my god. I'm actually so excited. Oh, she's hot. Damn. Okay, let's set her up. I think she's a little rock star. It's very cutesy. Bird better not bite me. Guys, I've had post-trauma from birds biting me, actually. Guys, it's a bit hard to know what you're doing. Especially when I'm just such a pro gamer. Bro, what? Yeah, but that's that one, gamers. We got some little stickers as well, and this little jar. Alright, now we're going to do the Chupa Chup one. So we actually did a Minions one in our first video, but now they've released a Jurassic Park one. 12 pen tops to collect. Pen tops, so they can go on top of pens, gamers. So we will actually be doing a giveaway about this. So the camera person said no, because we cannot financially afford that. So we need you guys to like and subscribe so they can get some money. Oh my god, we got the shittest flavor, like always. Woo! Okay, let's have a little look at the catalogue. Yeah, fucking ugly. Get that, gamers. Alright, let's see what we got. Oh my god, gamers! We got this little buddy. He's actually kind of cute. Yeah. Well, he's actually kind of cute. Alright, gamers. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe.